Today I have this very easy tile stitch pattern for you. This is the front and this is how it looks on the back. Hello knitting friends and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. This is tile stitch. It's a really great beginner friendly stitch pattern which only uses the simple knit and purl stitches to create these square tile shapes on the fabric. It's an easy design with lots of texture that I think would look good on garments for everyone. It lays flat and it doesn't curl in at the sides, and it could very easily be worked in the round on circular needles as well. It's knit across multiples of 6 stitches plus 4 extra stitches, so that's a minimum of 10. And I'll put all the pattern details down in the description box below for you. So take a look at that and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other stitch pattern videos. I've cast on 16 stitches here to show you, and that means it's 2 sets of 6, which is 12, plus the extra 4 giving me 16 stitches. And I've knit 1 full repeat of the 8 row pattern already, and I'm about to start again on row 1. So if you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn and let's get into the knitting. Row 1 with the right side facing. Knit the first 4 stitches. That's 2, 3 and 4. And then the pattern repeat begins, and this is between the asterisks in the written pattern. Purl 2, and knit 4. And that's the repeat all the way to the end. Purl 2, and knit 4. Turning the work to start row 2, and row 2 starts with purl 4, so that's 2, 3 and 4, and again the pattern repeat now begins. Knit 2 and purl 4. I need to repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 4. Row 3. Knit the first 4 stitches on row 3. Purl 2, knit 4. Purl 2 and knit 4. If you have more stitches, you just keep repeating that set of the pattern repeat all the way to the end of the row. Row 4, purl the first 4 stitches. Then knit 2 and purl 4. And again knit 2 and purl 4. Row 5, knit the first 4 stitches. That's 2, 3 and 4. The pattern repeat begins with purl 2, knit 4 another purl 2, and another knit 4. So row 6, purl the first 4 stitches, knit the next 2. I've done one too many. Knit the next 2. Purl 4. Knit 2 and purl the last 4 stitches. Row 7, and row 7 is purl 4 with the right side facing. Knit 2, purl 4, and again knit 2 and purl 4. And row 8 is the final row of the pattern repeat. Knit the first 4 stitches, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, and knit the final 4 stitches on this row, and continue repeating these 8 rows. And that's all there is to this tile stitch pattern. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found it useful. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have fun knitting all your stitches.